This lecture will introduce you to a third modality or type of tense in English, perfect. What is perfect? Perfect is a tense that connects 2 points on a timeline, here and here. In this case, we are talking about present perfect. Present perfect shows an event that began in the past and continues up to the present time. Perfect shows the relationship between 2 points in time. In contrast to simple tenses, which describe an event that is completed at one time, the perfect tense can describe an event in a larger context of 2 points in time. To be more specific, the present perfect shows the relationship between the past and now. It describes an event or situation that began in the past and continues to the present. The name present perfect can be confusing because this verb tense actually is about the past, not the present. Well, when do we use present perfect? This is a slightly more complex verb tense than simple tenses and progressive tenses because it involves 2 points in time. When do we want to talk about 2 points in time? There are 3 situations when we use present perfect. First, with since and for. Examples: I have loved photography since I was 17. I have been a photographer for most of my life. Second, a general or unspecified time in the past. Have you finished your homework yet? I have never traveled around the world. These are both events that occurred at an unspecified time in the past. We don't know exactly when. Therefore, we use present perfect. And third, to talk about a repeated event from the past until now. For example, the phone has rung 3 times this morning. I've met nice students so far at TCC. I should say I've met many nice students so far at TCC. Both of these sentences are counting an event that has happened repeatedly and is continuing to happen up to the present. There are some signal words that can help you to know when you need present perfect. You know you need present perfect when you see these words: since, for, ever, never, yet, still, already. Since and for are a little special. You have to know something about since and for in order to make the sentences correctly. So let's look at how you should do that. Make sentences with since like this: since plus a specific time in the past. For example, I have studied at TCC since 2009. Make sentences with for plus a duration of time. For example, I have studied at TCC for 1 year. 1 year, 2009 is a specific time in the past. 1 year is a duration or period of time. That's your introduction to the perfect tense. Next, we'll be looking at the 2 other types of perfect tenses, including the future perfect and the past perfect. And we'll be talking about what is different between present perfect and simple past, and how do you know when you should use one or the other. Look forward to that in the next lecture. Bye.